Hi guys, I have a little bonus video for you this week. Since it's going to be St. Patrick's Day on Wednesday, I thought we could paint in green and I'd show you how to make a few four-leaf clovers. You'll need a Sharpie and some watercolor and some watercolor paper, and we'll get started. Okay guys, we are going to sketch out some fun little shamrocks with our Sharpie, and we'll also sketch out a green rainbow just for fun for St. Patty's Day. And I need to give a special shout out to my sweet niece, Ava, who is 9 today. So I hope that she is able to join us too. All right, so we will go ahead and start with some Sharpie work, and then we'll be moving into using a lot of green today. So sketching shamrocks is really quite simple. They are just open hearts, okay? So each little leaf really is just an open heart. So 3 hearts will make up a little shamrock, and then you just have to add a little stem. And then let's go ahead and leave room for our rainbow over here. So we will do a 3-lined rainbow here, and it doesn't have to be perfectly circular at all. These are kind of fun rainbows. And I kind of actually like them a little bit wonky like this. Okay. So there we go. Room for our rainbow. And then let's just go ahead and make 4 more shamrocks here. Let's make a big one. All right, and remember that these do not have to look perfectly, guys. We are just trying something. This is just for fun. Celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Okay, see if I can fit one in here. All right, so I have 5. You can add more if you want. Okay, and then scoot my paints over for a minute. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of detail to the rainbow. You can make whatever patterns you want. I'll show you 3 simple ones here. This one is a dash dot pattern, and this one is just some simple circles. And then now I'll do a zigzag. All right, so now let's pick some greens to use. Let's use a dark green first. I use dark on the outside layer of this rainbow. Just paint right over the Sharpie. All right. Can use what's left on my brush to make a light green shamrock over here. And maybe one down here. So I haven't put any more paint on my brush. That was all just from that first swipe of paint. So it started out darker and now it's getting lighter. And then, let's see, same dark green. Let's go ahead and try to paint this center guy really dark green. So this time I'm going to use more paint. Now let's pick a medium green. All right, this is a fun bright green here. Use that same color to paint a shamrock, maybe two. And then lastly, I will pick a light color green. If you don't have so many greens in your palette, what you can do is just add more water to the green that you already have. Like if you want to use all dark green, you can add more water and make that green lighter. All right, so I'm using this apple colored green here for my last stripe of my rainbow, and then my last shamrock. This is just a really easy and fun way to paint with green for St. Patrick's Day, and I hope that you all have a very lucky day, and I hope you come back and check out some more of my videos. All right, have a great day, guys.